guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise. So this video is going to be absolutely amazing. As you saw by the title and thumbnail, the Hot Wheel NFTs Series 3 have arrived, and here they are. So if you guys are not tracking, the Hot Wheel NFT series actually comes out with certain ones such as these 5 that are redeemable for real cars. As you can see, here's the boxes right here. Each one comes in its own special box, which is really cool. And then there's even different rarities. There's one that's actually kind of, there's 1,500 of this one, and then 3,000 of each of the others, which is very limited. When you have like a Hot Wheels RLC car, like the numbered ones are even like currently out of like 30,000. This one, there's only 3,000 in the world. This one, there's only 1,500. So as you guys can see, these are very rare, very exclusive. And actually, I think these are like at least this one is the rarest Hot Wheel that, well, I think it's tied with some others, but you get my point. It's the very rare exclusive Hot Wheels, and I have all 5 lined up right here. And we're gonna go ahead and start unboxing them. And don't worry guys, those are actually just the empty boxes. I have the real cars sitting actually right here. And there we go. So this is all 5 opened up, or pretty much out of the boxes, but each one does come with a protector, which is actually really nice of Mattel to do that. And as you see, these are not just like normal Hot Wheels. They're not in normal boxing, like with the card and everything. These are quite a bit different, and I'm going to go through, I'm going to pop each one out of the protector. I'm going to leave them sealed in the package, of course, but I'm going to show you guys some of the up close. So I'm going to go ahead and set some of these aside, and then we're going to go ahead and get to unboxing. I'm going to take this one set off to the side for now. As you see, it's shiny gold. This is actually the rarest one, but we'll get to that last. But I'm going to go ahead and start off with the 2Jet Z, which is actually a really cool car. Like the paint on all these is like RLC quality. It's like the nice high-end paint. Like these actually look absolutely amazing. The packaging, as you see, there's like the car is shiny. It's like a different texture than the regular packaging. The Hot Wheels up here at the top is also kind of like a holographic. So as you see, like even like just the packaging itself is so much nicer. But there's the car right there. It does actually have rubber tires on it, which is amazing. And that casting just looks so cool. And I really do like that combo of like the kind of like that greenish brown like paint with like the brown tires. But let me know what you guys think of the 2Jet Z. This is, I think, a really cool looking car. Like they did a great job with this. Like, there's like the paint kind of glare right there, that nice green color. But yeah, that's just absolutely amazing. And then the back looks like that. So you got the Hot Wheels NFT, and it has the name of the car. It's Series 3, and then the 2Jet Z. But these are just absolutely amazing. I love the quality of every single one of these cars. I'm just going to put it back in the protector because I don't want anything to happen to these, since they are worth quite a bit of money. Like I said before, these are out of 3,000, so they're pretty rare, and I definitely do not want anything to happen to these. This will probably be the only time they're ever out of that actual packaging. There's the same thing with the texture where the car itself is shiny, and then like the lettering is holographic there. But this is bad to the blade. It's also kind of like another generic car from Hot Wheels in that NFT form. And it does have that rubber tires, and this one has like that red kind of rim, or that red trim around the rim, which looks really cool there. And just the attention to detail on these is just phenomenal. Like I absolutely love like how much effort they put into these, especially like with the paint and all that detail. But I do also love how they have like the real Riders tires, which is like the rubber. And yeah, like these cars are just on like a whole other quality level. And yeah, and if you guys do not know how to get a hold of these, during certain times, just like RLC cars, they go live. So you obviously want to be like keeping track of like when those dates are. A whole series comes out at once. You buy different packs, and the packs are, there's like 7 NFTs in each one. You're not guaranteed a redeemable one every time. So obviously the more you buy, the better. They're like $25 per pack, and you just get these by chance. So this is a 2017 Acura NSX. I would say the packaging on this one looks a little bit cooler. It's not just a generic background, but it's like a garage. And then there's the car itself. It looks so nice. There you go, especially in the way that light hits it. That looks amazing. And then obviously all these cars have the Real Riders tires on them. So they're all going to be really nice. And then also just like the decals with like the racing stuff, like the numbers, the stripes, it says NSX on it. Even on the back it says like HWNFTG, which is like Hot Wheels NFT Garage. I don't know if you can really see that there on the back of the car. You have like the Acura logo and then the text is right below it. So it's really cool how detailed these are. And it just, the quality is outstanding. And I really love the rims that come on this one. I don't know if you can see it. There we go. We're going to put this back away. And then next we got the 1977 Pontiac Firebird TA, which just like the packaging is still the same with the kind of like the shininess on the car, the holographic lettering. But this car looks absolutely amazing. And I don't know if you can really see it there on the tires. It actually says Hot Wheels on the sidewall of the tires themselves. And it still is the rubber tires with like the nice rims. You got the Firebird logo there on top. And this car is so detailed. There we go. Some better lighting. So you can kind of see like how nice that blue is. But man, these NFT cars are definitely on a very high quality. And all of these do have the same backing, except that one's a little bit different, but I'll show you guys that here in a second. Got the T-top there as well. But yeah, like I just absolutely love how amazing these cars are. So obviously if you do want to pick up all of these, if you already missed your chance, you're going to have to buy them on the secondhand market. I do have links in the description down below. If you guys go to Mercari, you can create an account. It's absolutely free. It's like a site where you just go on and buy, sell, like whatever you want, honestly. If you guys use my code when creating an account, it's $10 off your first purchase. And then whenever you sell stuff, whenever you sell up to $100 worth of stuff, you get an additional $20 back. So it's like $30 for free by signing up, buying and selling stuff, and it'll definitely be worth it. But let's go ahead and get on to the final one, which is the 2016 Cadillac ATS-V R. And let me go ahead and pop this out right here. And this one's different. Like I said before, there is only 1,500 of these, whereas like all the rest, there are 3,000, which is still very limited. But the entire package is holographic with that gold. It's like that chrome look. Like it looks absolutely amazing. And then the car is finished in like a matte finish. So while everything's like reflective, the car still stays the same. So regardless of glare, it still looks absolutely amazing. And then you can definitely see like the attention to detail on the car itself. And those rims look really good. Like they did an amazing job, especially like with the paint. The Cadillac V kind of logo colors there on the side. And obviously it's a little, it's kind of hard to focus there, but a lot of detail. There's even says Cadillac on the hood. It's got that giant wing there on the back. Like this is such a beautiful casting. Like Hot Wheels did an amazing job with this. But for being out of 1,500, like you sure hope that they put a lot of detail in it. But whenever you turn it around the back, this is what the other ones don't have. There's an additional window on the back side. So you guys can look at the car. You can see both sides of the car. And that is really cool there, how that window looks right through the package. And there is plastic over that as well, so that you can't actually touch the car, but you can still see both sides. And there you can kind of see like that blue and the yellow and the red kind of glowing a little bit there in the light. But this is absolutely amazing. And the fact that the whole package is like this shiny gold, it looks incredible. Let me go ahead and put it back away before something happens, because I don't want to accidentally drop it or anything. But yeah, like this entire lineup looks absolutely amazing, especially like the real cars. Like it's always nicer whenever they use like actual licensed cars. I mean, the 2Jet Z and the Bad to the Blade still look pretty good, but honestly getting like real cars is so much nicer. The new series, Series 4, I believe, all the cars are actually real. And Series 5, they're all real. So they're obviously getting feedback. They're changing everything to make it a little bit more appealing to everybody. Series 5 did just come out with kind of like the NFT packs. All those are sold out. And if you guys want, there's like a Hot Wheels has on their website a kind of marketplace. I don't know if anybody's selling any packs right now. I'm sure they probably will. But also, guys, let me know which one of these is your favorite. If you guys do say the Cadillac, I completely understand because that's my favorite. That's the one they put a lot more detail into. And obviously, it's more rare. There's only half as many as these than there are the rest of the cars. And this whole entire lineup is just phenomenal. Hot Wheels did a great job with the NFTs. This is the NFT IRL, so in real life. And these are very, very exclusive. 3,000 of each of these four, and then 1,500 of the Cadillac. But if you guys like this video, definitely go down and hit that like button down below. Also, don't forget to check out, I have other videos of all the pack openings for Series 5. I did have one video where I opened 50 packs and actually got like some of the craziest cars. So definitely go check out that video because it is live. And there's going to be a part 2 that has like 38 packs because I got 88 initially. So I kind of did like a part 1, part 2, and I got some pretty amazing cars in that kind of pack opening. So definitely check that video out. Hit that like button if you guys like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this and many more awesome Hot Wheel videos as well as real car videos and real supercar videos. As always, thank you for watching.